Yeah! Nagulat kayo, no? Yes, this is Mr. Strange. Announcement lang. Totoo po yung title na No More Videos for Spookify Pinoy. Particularly, yung videos ng yung narration. May mga reasons po behind it. Because, well, ang pinaka main reason is hindi ko naman po itinatago na I want to earn from YouTube. And basically, November 2, naka-receive ako ng email from YouTube na they are gonna stop monetizing my videos because of copyright, hindi ko daw sinulat, mga some things that dapat kong pinag-aralan, I admit. Now, it get me thinking. I was about to quit nga eh. Just focus on other things. Pero napag-isip-isip ko, kailangan ko ituloy itong sinimulan natin. So that's why I'm posting this video to let you know na yes, no more videos for Spookify Pinoy, particularly yung narration. Pero ipopost ko na siya sa Facebook dahil si Facebook medyo mas maluwag siya sa mga ganitong bagay. We'll continue the things that we've started November 2015, and yun lang kasi, napakasayang nung mga bagay na sinimulan natin. Unang-una, we are at 17,000 subscribers. Well, coming to 17,000 subscribers. Patreon page, yung mga naniniwala na may kabuluhan tong ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po for sticking it out with me. Sana po tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung suporta. At guaranteed po sa Facebook. If you don't know what my Facebook page is, just go to the description and click nyo lang yung Facebook page doon. Andun po yung link. Some announcement as well. T-shirt is on hold dahil wala eh. Nadingdong tayo ni YouTube eh. So, gagawin natin, di ba? But, the good news, there's a good news here. Ang good news nito is, hindi naman nila totally shut down. That's why I'm able to post the videos, a video still. Tinanggal lang nila yung monetization, and they say that whenever I'm ready to apply for monetization again, just do it. So, with that regards, I'll have to make changes on the contents that I'm uploading. So, basically, I'll put out more video contents. Well, not as of now. Medyo hindi ko pa alam yung direction na pupunta ko, honestly. Pero, recently, I received a video. Talagang in-email sa akin yung video, and yun, pinakita sa akin yung sa CCTV kuha. So, I'll try to do those things, no? Yung mga video na nakakatakot, real life, na nakuha ng video. Also, I am going to accept and upload your videos. If you have stories, instead of writing it out, get a video. Even if, for example, hindi nyo kinukunan yung sarili nyo, kunyari, nandun lang kayo sa lugar, sa magubat or whatever, sa bubong, you can send it to me. And I'll upload it. If maganda, I'll react to it. Also, I'll give out my true to life experience here in my house. Yung mga nangyayari dito na since bata pa lang ako, meron ng mga nangyayari. And I'll upload it here para akong nagkikwento with you seeing my face already. So, again, go to Facebook page. I'll start uploading again next week We'll start with Silent Rasta. Ituloy natin yung part 4 ng mga itim na anghel. Thank you po talaga sa mga sumusuporta. Ayun lang po, no? I will not make it a long video. Thank you again. So, go to our Facebook page, like it, and then on weekend, upload na po ako ng videos ulit. Here on this channel though, please don't unsubscribe because I'll be uploading videos na medyo in tune na sa YouTube. Ayoko lang kasing ganito, yung YouTube. Munti ka na akong mag-give up sa YouTube Dadaling ko na lang kayo sa ibang platform such as Facebook. Pero again, we need to adjust and I also have to make things right. Another shout out sa mga kasama natin sa katatakutan. Sina Darker Room, sina Pinoy Creepypasta, shout out kay Room 666, kay Pinoy Horror Stories, kay Bulalord Stories, tsaka kay Ilonggo Creepy Stories, at sa marami pang ibang gumagawa ng channel about narrating horror stories. Sana hindi mangyari itong nangyari sa inyo, itong nangyari sa akin. Just be careful of the things you upload. If you put something that it's not your story, ganun, medyo sa tingin ko doon na dingdong yung channel ko Although maganda naman si YouTube dahil binigyan ako ng pagkakataon, and they did not totally ban my account. Alright. Sa mga gusto pong makita yung itsura ko, eto na po. Wag po kayong matakot. Or kung natakot kayo, well, yun talaga yung channel ko, puro katatakutan. So, I'll think of all the contents that I'll upload and then make it work. Hopefully, you stick with me on this. Maraming salamat po. And, God bless po sa inyong lahat. Siyaw!